9 platforms to make your portfolio website in minutes. Having an aesthetically appealing and organized portfolio to put your most admired work on show is crucial regardless of your experience level and artistic capabilities. A well-designed portfolio is a game changer when it needs to crack a deal or stay relevant in the industry. Check them out and find the one that can cater to your personal needs. 1. Pixpa. Let's start with Pixpa, a feature-rich, one-stop website building platform that empowers creative professionals, photographers, freelance writers, and small business owners to design professional and impressive portfolios to showcase their skills without the requirement of codes. 2. Squarespace. Squarespace, a very popular website designing platform, is flocked by users who wish to create stunning, mobile-responsive websites. Even though it is not dedicatedly a portfolio designing tool, photographers and artists prefer it for creating portfolios owing to its charismatic templates and affordable premium plans. 3. Adobe Portfolio. Adobe Portfolio is the platform you should go for if you need to display a gallery full of your artwork. It is also the best option to create a sleek one-page portfolio website that will automatically optimize for the device it gets viewed on. 4. PortfolioBox. It is a simple website builder that comes in handy while making online portfolios. The tool features plenty of artistic templates and layouts, which are capable of enticing a creative mind. The portfolios are extremely customizable, and they even allow you to pick different designs for each portfolio page. 5. Zyro. The templates offered by Zyro are designed by skilled professionals, hence they are outrightly stylish and adapt to every screen you view them on. You also enjoy the freedom of building a portfolio website from scratch by customizing every element. 6. Fabrik. Fabrik is a promising portfolio designing platform that assists creative professionals and freelancers in creating a tailored portfolio for themselves within a few minutes. The UI is simplified, offering ease of use, and its drag-and-drop portfolio editor eliminates the necessity of writing code. 7. Dunked. The website's drag-and-drop portfolio editor is very handy, and the exclusive grid-based, elegantly designed, and adaptable templates attract amateurs in the designer community. 8. Jimdo. Jimdo is a fresh, AI-based website building tool that leverages AuD technology to design websites without the need of writing code. You can utilize the professional themes and advanced tools provided here to create a stunning portfolio for attracting new prospects. 9. Strikingly. It wouldn't be wrong if I say that Strikingly is the most beginner-friendly website creation tool you are likely to find, appealing to everyone and anyone who wishes to create a website or online portfolio, in particular. Conclusion. The biggest deal breaker for a designer or photographer can be an unorganized portfolio. Showcasing your best work so far beautifully and systematically is essential, and the portfolio creation websites mentioned in this video will help create exceptional portfolios and get noticed by potential clients. Thanks for watching.